Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling how to find life insurance policies in 2025. Life insurance is crucial for protecting your loved ones, but tracking down the right policies can feel overwhelming. Whether you're searching for your own coverage or helping a family member, I'll walk you through simple, updated steps for 2025. Let's dive in. First, start by assessing your needs. Think about factors like your age, health, and financial goals. In 2025, many insurers use AI tools to help you get personalized recommendations quickly. Check out apps like Policy Genius or Bestow for a head start. Next, research online. Head to reputable websites from major insurers like State Farm, Allstate, or new entrants focusing on digital-first services. Use comparison sites to see rates and coverage options side by side. Remember, 2025 brings enhanced data privacy laws, so always verify the security of these platforms. If you suspect a policy exists but you can't find it, contact the insurance company directly. Provide any details you have, like policy numbers or the insured person's info. For unclaimed policies, visit your state's unclaimed property office. Many now have user-friendly online portals updated for 2025. Don't forget to check government resources. The National Association of Insurance Commissioners, NAIC, has a database that can help locate lost policies. In 2025, look for their new mobile app that simplifies the process with facial recognition for identity verification. Once you've found potential options, compare quotes carefully. Consider premiums, benefits, and any riders for additional coverage. Pro tip: with rising inflation, opt for policies that include inflation adjustments to keep your coverage relevant. Finally, after securing a policy, review it annually. Life changes fast, and so do insurance rules in 2025. If you have questions, consult a licensed advisor. They can offer tailored advice. There you have it, folks. Finding life insurance policies doesn't have to be stressful. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to financial security. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.